Every store runs on data you can't afford to lose. Store Backup keeps all of it safe. One wrong import, one deleted product, and hours of work are gone. Store Backup copies your entire store automatically. The moment you install, then every single day. No reminders, no exports, nothing to manage. Each backup is a moment in time. Browse a clean timeline and reopen any day in seconds. Need something back? Restore one product, a filtered set, or your whole store in a single click. Exactly as it was and never a duplicate. Your data is always yours. Download any backup as a secure zip on every plan. All of it for one simple price, with a 7-day free trial and a full year of history. Store Backup, protect your store and recover in clicks. Add it from BigCommerce today.